some batteries. Look
Oh,
out.
look at that. 18650s.
Yeah. These are all probably dead. But I've been messing around with charging it and stuff. You know, there's so much to learn about the batteries.
Yeah.
I just think it's so amazing. You know, I don't know if people realize your channel has such incredible resources. Like, for instance, let's say you're a person watching this thing and you're just getting into batteries. You know, you got to take these batteries and you got to see if they're good or not. I don't know where my charger is right now. All right, that was bad timing, but I don't know where. But anyway, they have these chargers, and the charger charges it up, and then it charges it. Oops, let's switch the camera. Oh, and then it brings it up, and then slowly brings it down, and tells you the capacity.
Yeah.
And then you take that, and you write the capacity right on the battery, and it's everything that you do. It's like, I've been watching you do that for years, and finally I was like, wait a minute. Let me try that myself.
Yes.